stop beating. Can't you see the damage you have done? You have driven him away forever. Jealous heart, now I'm the only one. I was part of everything he planned for, and I know he loved me at the start. Now he hates the sight of all I stand for. All because of you, are jealous of. You have filled my conscience full of sorrow, for I know it never was untrue. Jealous heart, why did you make him hate me? Now there's nothing left but jealous heart. Many times I trusted you to guide me, but your guide, they only brought me tears. Why must I have you inside me? Jealous heart for all my lonely years. Jealous heart, why did I let you rule me? When I knew the end would bring me pain. Now he's gone and found another. Oh, I'll never see my love again. Truth is, his memory will haunt me, even though we're many miles apart. It's so hard to know it never wanted me, 'cause we heard your beating jealous heart. 'Cause we heard your beating jealous heart. 'Cause we heard your beating jealous heart. People come to the windows, they're always down at me, shaking their heads in sorrow, saying who can ever be just walking in the rain, thinking how we made, knowing things could change. Somehow I can forget. People from the windows, they're always there at me, shaking their heads in sorrow, saying who can that would be just walking in the rain, walking in the rain, thinking how we met, walking in knowing things could change. Walking in the rain, how I can forget. Walking in the rain.